So going into the winter months, I think it's important to make sure that homeowners, especially if they have a roofing system that is older than that 10 to 12 year mark, to go ahead and have a fall inspection completed. Make sure your gutters are cleaned out. Make sure that there's no debris that's trapped in valleys or anything. And basically, you're just trying to prep yourself to get through the winter months to the spring months when we're going to go ahead and have some seasonal rains and everything. So I would just say typical maintenance as far as calling a professional like us to come out there and actually access your roof, get up there in areas where you're not comfortable getting up there. We're prepared and licensed to go ahead and get up there and make sure that those integral parts of the system are intact to withstand harsh climate in the winter.